Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are doing well. As we all know that Eid al-Adha is round the corner. So, why shouldn't we learn some sentences regarding this event, this religious festival? So, let's get started. Eid al-Adha करीब है. Eid al-Adha is round the corner. Eid al-Adha एक इस्लामी मजहबी त्यौहार है. Eid al-Adha is an Islamic religious festival. Eid al-Adha की तैयारियां जोरों पर हैं. The preparations for Eid al-Adha are in full swing. हम इस दफा गाय कुर्बान करेंगे. This time we'll sacrifice a cow. हमने एक गाय खरीद ली है. We've bought a cow. इन दिनों मैं अपनी गाय को सजाने में मसरूफ हूँ. These days I'm busy embellishing my cow. मुझे अफसोस है कि कुछ दिनों में हम अपनी गाय को ज़िबा कर देंगे. I'm feeling sorry that in a few days we'll slaughter a cow. ताहम ये एक मजहबी फरीज़ा है. However, this is a religious obligation. मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे तौफीक दी कि मैं उसकी राह में कुर्बानी कर सकूं. I'm grateful that Allah has granted me the opportunity to sacrifice for His mercy. अल्लाह ताला हम सबको नेकियां करने की, अच्छे काम करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए. May Allah grant us all the ability to do good deeds. I hope these sentences are quite informative for you people. You may use these sentences regarding your festival Eid al-Adha. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for such informative and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.